Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a printer to Cricut. First, ensure your printer is compatible with the Print Then Cut feature, which is crucial for successful projects. You'll also need to verify your computer meets the minimum system requirements for Cricut Design Space. This foundational step ensures a smooth workflow from design to final cut. We'll cover everything you need to know to get started with confidence and ease. Next, open Cricut Design Space and either create a new project or select an existing one. It's important to adjust your design size to fit within the Print Then Cut area, which is typically 6.75 inches by 9.25 inches. Adding a bleed to your image is highly recommended. This ensures your cuts are precise and you avoid any unwanted white edges around your finished project. This preparation is key for professional-looking results. Once your design is ready, click the Make It button in Design Space and then select Send to Printer. Choose your preferred printer from the drop-down menu. You can toggle off the Add Bleed option if you've already added one manually, or leave it on for automatic bleed addition. Crucially, enable Use System dialog to access your printer's advanced settings, allowing you to select the best print quality for your material. This step ensures optimal print clarity. Finally, carefully place your printed material onto a Cricut cutting mat, ensuring it's aligned correctly. Load the mat into your Cricut machine. In Design Space, select the appropriate material setting that matches your printed paper, such as printable vinyl or cardstock. Once everything is set, press the flashing Go button on your Cricut machine to begin the cutting process. Your Cricut will then precisely cut around your printed design, bringing your project to life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.